Hello, my name is Mike Miller from Mobility Plus in Florence, Kentucky. We've been open since March of 2022 and we've been partners with Roller Ramp since March of 2022. We've been offering Roller Ramp since grand opening. We met the Roller Ramp team at a MedTrade convention and we love the service, we love the quality and the versatility of the product. My favorite part of Roller Ramp, other than it rolls up, easy to move, is it can be used for 1 step, 10 steps. It can be used for your RV, to get on your boat at the lake. It's very versatile. We had a customer who purchased a scooter that could not put a vehicle lift on the back of their vehicle. The Roller Ramp was the perfect solution to make their life easier, to get their scooter in and out of their vehicle so they can go where they want to go. That same customer not only used the Roller Ramp to get their scooter in and out of their vehicle, they also used it at home to get their scooter in and out of their home. That's a good example of the flexibility and versatility of the Roller Ramp. We love offering Roller Ramp. It's portable, it's flexible, you can get any length, 1,000 pounds weight capacity. We love the option that we can provide our customers.
To get started with your Roller Ramp, give us a call at 866-883-4722 or send us an email at sales@rollerramp.com and find a dealer near you at rollerramp.com.